Peace. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for subscribing and welcome back to another video. Now I do have a package right here that I do believe is a case for the Y7 2019 by Huawei. Let me just go ahead and see what's inside of here, because I'm pretty certain it is a case for this device, but we can't be sure unless we just go right ahead and open it up. So let me just go ahead and cut that open right here, and the first thing we're greeted with, wow, okay, yes, I think I'm correct right here. So okay, boom, let's go ahead and take a look right here. So you can see we do see DUX DUCIS or DUCIS. You can see right here it says HW for the Huawei Y7 2018 or the Y7 Prime 2018. And you can see right here at the top it does say skin series. So you can see right here is this protection case right here at the back. It does say lead in what we love, fashion, innovation, and function. So without any further ado, we're gonna go ahead pop this open. So let me just pop this top part right open. Then we're gonna go ahead pop that right out. Boom, put that off to the side, and then okay, boom, let's put that right down there. So now you can see right here we're greeted with, wow, that looks dope. Okay, so that looks sick. You can see it's black, it has like a bronze color right here with like a really dope pattern right there. You can see right here it does have a DUX DUCIS moment ideas for life. It does say for the Y7 2019. Then right over here you're getting premium quality right here. It does say DUX DUCIS right here again. This is the gold case right here. As you can see, it does have the camera cutout and the fingerprint cutout right there. So that's the camera cutout. Wow, this is dope. You can see right here it has like a TPU lining which covers the power button and volume rockers. So let's just go ahead put this inside of here. You can see it's gonna support all of the like the USB volume rock, the mic and the speaker. And then here at the top you can see it has the 3.5mm headphone cutout with the microphone. So let's just go ahead pop that right in. It fits in just like a glove. The fingerprint works perfectly fine, as you can see. Let's just go ahead and take a look right here. Everything is just really nice with this case. This case feels really premium. The buttons work perfectly fine. Let's just go ahead, hit the volume rockers, and those are working really nicely. So you can see everything is really cool. You can get your swipe across. You can see that the latest tabloids are all talking about Huawei right now. So right here you can see I do have my Huawei Y7 2019. It works perfectly fine. Let me just take out some cards here that I have in my wallet, and we're gonna go ahead put this inside of the case right here. So you can see there is what looks to be a slit right here. I'm not sure if I can actually get in there or not, but let me just see if I can. Okay, so I did go ahead and pop that open. So you can fit at least up to 2 cards in here. Right here, boom. You can see the card is sealed really tightly in there. It's not going anywhere. So that is probably enough room to fit your credit card. You put your credit card right inside that slot and you'll be all set. And you can see it closes up nice and tightly right here, boom. There's no secure thing to wrap it around, or no magnet that actually seals it shut, but this is definitely cool. Shout out to the subscriber on the channel who actually recommended that I get this case. I definitely think it's pretty cool. Definitely different from some of the cases that I've been rocking. So this is definitely a premium case. You can see the cutouts down below and up top. But I definitely think this is cool. It definitely looks dope. It has that gold color. and it's really nice for the Huawei Y719. Links will be in the description section down below. If you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, stay locked in, and I'll see you on the next video. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.